The Chickadee Backpack features side slip pockets, grab handles at the top of the bag, and on the back of the bag there's also padded backpack straps, and these straps are adjustable. The front zipper pocket has plenty of storage space. There are slip pockets in the front, and then in the flap of this front pocket there is a mesh zippered pocket. The top of the bag is secured with a zipper, and the fun thing about this bag is there are metal frames at the top of the bag, and these metal frames are inserted when the bag is all finished, so the frames go in very last. On the inside of the bag there is a zipper pocket as well as mesh elastic pockets on either side, and then here's the other zipper. The Chickadee Backpack features full color step-by-step instructions with a photograph for just about every step, and the video online workshop is 2 hours and 34 minutes long.